What if I told you there's a place where cars are shaped like burgers, cameras, and even handbags? Welcome to the wildest automobile ride of your life, right in Hyderabad. Hello and welcome back to our channel for another video. So as I told you, we are going to a very special museum today, which is one of a kind and holds a lot of Guinness World Records. This museum is located right inside Hyderabad and this is about 17-18 kilometers from our place. So हमें around 45 minutes लग जाएंगे पहुंचने में. So let's get started. Today we are stepping into one of a kind car museum and trust me, this is going to drive your imagination crazy. This place is located in Bahadurpura, Hyderabad. This place is a brainchild of Mr. Sudhakar Yadav, who is the artist, engineer and the designer behind all these amazing cars which are designed as so many things that you can't even imagine. So let me tell you few things about this place. The creator of this place started his journey back in 1980 and today this museum holds around more than 100 creative vehicles. The entry ticket for this place is rupees 150 per person for an adult and 120 rupees for kids. Also there is additional charge for mobile photography and camera photography and some additional charge for parking as well, which is around 60 rupees for car and 40 rupees for two-wheelers.
Can you imagine इस धूम बग्गी को बनाने में 1.5 महीना लगा and this can run up to 100 miles per hour.
Now let me show you the cutest part of this museum. Look at these miniature cycles. The interesting part is all these things that you are seeing here, these are not just created for show purpose. These are actually working models and once in a while they are taken out for a display also. Some of these are actually taken out and the others are here just for the display purpose, but they are actually a working model. Every car here has a story to tell, like this burger car, which can run up to 30 km per hour and took 1 year to be made. Look at this chessboard car. Also, this museum has a lot of fruits and vegetable shaped cars as well. Banana, watermelon, brinjal, you name it, all are there. Also, all the cars are handmade and it took about 20 days to 3 years to be made for each one of them separately. This museum has cars which are based on the objects which we use in daily life. Look at this computer shaped car and it's so cute. Look at this show car behind me. So this was the first car which was made by the designer of this place. और उसके बाद ही एक एक करके other cars came into picture. This car took 9 months to be created and there are so many other cute theme cars here. Look at this sharpener car. यहाँ पे ये blade को उठा करके उसमें बैठते हैं. And there is a pencil car, there is a pen, there is a bride and jewelry car. So this car is based upon Ayodhya temples. cars here aren't just fun, they are record breaking as well, like this tricycle behind me. So this tricycle has a Guinness World Record of being the tallest tricycle in the world, and the height of this tricycle is over 41 feet. The cars here are featured in multiple movies and many exhibitions around the world. The designer of this place made all these cars using recycled material. His mission was to bring art and engineering together in the most quirkiest way possible. This reminds me of another place, which is Rock Garden in Chandigarh, which is also built using recycled materials and waste materials, and everything brought together is so beautiful. Look at this Lotus Chariot car. This is a two-seater car and it took more than 8 months to be constructed. This place is very close to Nehru Zoological Park. So if you are planning to come here, you can cover both the places at same time. And if you are coming with your kids, they are especially going to enjoy this place. Production cost of these cars vary from 85,000 to 2 lakh rupees. Though these are not for sale, but they are taken out for road shows once in a while. Motorcycles of various sizes are also displayed in the museum. The smallest is just 33 centimeters in height. Can you imagine that? Apart from these novelty vehicles, there are also a section which displays only the vintage cars, which is so beautiful to see. This place also showcases India's smallest train, which has seating capacity of 10 people, and it took 20 days to be made. So mainly we can categorize the vehicles here in 3 parts, which is commercial cars, creative cars and bicycle. And each of these vehicles have different unique shapes and unique names as well. From fruit-shaped bikes to record-breaking creation, this place is a proof that art can be driven. If you like this video, then do give it a like and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, mention in the comments that which car would you like to take off for a spin. If you watched till here, thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video. Until then, happy wandering.